How did Chevron become one of the largest oil and gas producers in Central California's San Joaquin and Salinas valleys? The story starts more than 50 million years ago. Most of California was once covered by shallow seas, full of tiny, diverse organisms called plankton. When plankton died, they sank to the bottom of the sea. Sand and silt gradually layered on top of the decaying remains. The process created immense heat and pressure, transforming the organic matter into crude oil. Later, geological events uplifted the seafloor to create Central California's San Joaquin and Salinas valleys, regions well suited to the production of oil and natural gas. That production began more than a century ago with the discoveries of oil fields in which we are still producing today. The region was soon dotted with several oil discovery sites. Over the next several decades, the reservoir pressure depleted, leading to a decline in oil production. In the 1960s, an enhanced oil recovery technique called steam flooding reinvigorated oil fields that had been in decline. Steam flooding and other techniques have helped Chevron produce more than 5 billion barrels of oil in California over its history, and steam flooding remains key to Chevron's present-day production success in Fresno, Kern, and Monterey counties. So, what exactly is steam flooding, and how does it increase production? Steam flooding involves pumping steam into the earth to heat oil and make it flow more easily. The process has several steps. Let's take a closer look. Step 1. Chevron designs, constructs, and operates its injection and production wells in accordance with stringent regulations established by the State of California's Geologic Energy Management Division. CalGEM is one of many state and federal agencies that regulate oil and gas operations in California to protect health, safety, and the environment. Every well drilled contains multiple layers of steel casing, each of which is cemented in place in order to preserve the integrity of the well and protect any existing groundwater aquifers. Step 2. Water separated from previously extracted oil is heated to form steam, which is then injected into the oil reservoir. Chevron uses advanced engineering and computer modeling to safely predict and monitor how steam moves oil to the surface for production. Step 3. Production wells extract oil mixed with gas, water, and sediments. Pumping units lift this fluid mixture up the well's tubing to the surface. Step 4. Oil treatment plants separate the oil from the rest of the mixture. Step 5. Oil is transported to California refineries for processing into a variety of useful products. Step 6. Residents and industries use products produced from our oil on a daily basis. The oil and gas we produce in California are critical to enabling human progress, both locally and around the world. From the cars we drive to the tractors that harvest our crops, to medical and technological innovations and thousands of consumer products, we develop the affordable, reliable, ever cleaner energy that improves lives and powers California forward.